Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable judges, the committee, and all of audiences has joined in this event for accepting the invitation. And this great day, let us praise the presence of Allah who has given His grace and guidance to us. Because of His grace, we can gather in this event. I am Muhammad Zakwan from Senior High School, TAHFIDZUL Quran MUADZ bin Jabal Kendari. I'm going to deliver a speech about can robots replace your future job? Ladies and gentlemen, a 2020 World Economic Forum report predicted that robotics and automation would displace 85 million jobs globally in the coming 5 years. Sure enough, that's creating a lot of very human anxiety. Anything that humans do to make money will one day be done by robots better, faster, and cheaper. It is predicted that robots would replace a greater number of human workers in the future. So, if you ask me, what are robots? Are robots going to take our jobs away? Or will they simply fill jobs that humans cannot or won't do? My speech will first discuss about what robot is, which jobs are the most likely to be affected, and is this a positive or negative development? Well, first, let's start at the beginning. In point of fact, word robot is derived from just word robota, meaning force on the board. It's a multidisciplinary field when computer science, engineering, and technology all meet. Those working in robotics focus on the design, construction, operation, and use of robots in a host of different settings. Robots are designed to carry out very specific tasks. Nowadays, there are so many practical applications for robots across a wide range of fields. Some of this type of robots include industrial, military, service, exploration, medical, entertainment, and many more. Ladies and gentlemen, robots are used in quite some time in factories and manufacturing plants, but they've recently become more popular in other fields with things like automated food prep, cow milking machines, and self-driving cars. In agriculture, robots can now not only plow fields, but also recognize weeds and zap them with lasers. In hospitals, robots are doing everything from procuring supplies for nurses to help the surgeons adjust instruments more precisely. We like it or not, this automation will only continue to grow and is going to inevitably change a number of different industries. As this happens, you might find yourself fearful of losing your job to a machine. Look at Amazon and their giver robots that move all product to people who package and mail the products to the customers. These robots help Amazon and its employee get packages shipped out faster than their competition. However, at the same time, these robots have replaced the job of workers who previously handled these jobs. Ladies and gentlemen, nowadays artificial intelligence robots increasingly replacing humans in the workplace. While it is possible that most of the unskilled jobs will eventually be done by robots, however, some skilled jobs which require human creativity will not be substituted. Firstly, robots may progressively replace human force that does not require specific and complex human skills. Many companies will turn to artificial intelligence because it is far less expensive than hiring, training, and employing a human. For example, in banking sectors, automated teller machines are introduced a few years back, which eventually replaced cashier jobs. In addition, it worked 24 hours in a week all over the year without extra cost. Another example, most of the call center representative jobs are shifted to robots. They are programmed to answer common questions, so that is the reason most of the jobs are replaced with artificial intelligence. On the other hand, some specialized work cannot be restored with robots. This kind of jobs require a human creativity. require a human touch. For example, the sectors like education, psychology, medicine, engineering needs human creativity. A robot cannot do treatment to patients. A robot cannot simply teach the students because it is not only knowledge sharing but also how the students get the value from education. It's a professional task, cannot be possible with the robots. So that is the reason some of these jobs will sustain in future. In conclusion, it is likely increasing artificial intelligence will overtake the people jobs. Most of the unskilled humans lost their work. However, some sophisticated professional jobs will remain the same in the future also. Although the negative side creates anxiety for humans who are starting to be excluded in some fields of work. But the positive side, with the presence of robots, some aspects of work can be completed easily and quickly. So actually, the presence of robots does not shift all human work in the future, but helps human work in several fields to become easier and more efficient. Before I close my speech, the solution to this anxiety is that we have to increase our expertise in technology so that we can work together with the robot. Robots can improve our quality of life and make the world better, not by replacing humans, but by working effectively together. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all the speech that I can deliver. Ideally, what I have said is gainful for us, and I'm so sorry if I had a mistake. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.